Hello and welcome to Midgolfia Meditation. Please plug in your headphones for a better auditory experience. You are about to embark on a rather unique auditory journey. You will be listening to affirmations aimed at opening your receptive channel to attract and allow extraordinary events to unfold in your life effortlessly. Every night before falling asleep and every morning upon waking up, your brain emits waves at a specific frequency known as theta waves. In this state, your brain is receptive to information from your five senses, which is downloaded into your subconscious, the seat of your habits. It's in this cerebral state that your beliefs and behaviors are formed. Since we naturally access this brain state just before sleep and right after waking up, your thoughts at these two times of the day are crucial. You are what you think, and your present thoughts will construct your future self. That's why listening to these affirmations before bedtime and throughout your sleep, every night for 21 nights, will manifest truly incredible results in your daily life. The effects might even be felt after the first listen. So, I invite you to find a comfortable position, start with a deep and long inhalation, and exhale through your mouth. Alright, I wish you a pleasant listening and a wonderful night. I am in receptive mode. I allow all good things to come to me. I receive with ease. Everything always works out for me. I receive goodness in all its forms. I know I am worthy of all the good that exists. I am worthy. I am a good person. I deserve goodness. Just by existing, I am worthy of this goodness. I am worthy of wealth. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of fulfilling work. I am worthy of wonderful relationships. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of peace. I trust the universe. I trust the universe to bring me immense abundance. I surrender to the process as I receive my abundance. I am at ease. I am at ease knowing that the best things are unfolding for me. Abundance flows to me with ease. I can safely receive. I am open. I am open. I receive. I am ready. My heart is ready. It's already done. I welcome abundance into my life. I welcome joy into my life. I welcome love into my life. I welcome prosperity into my life. I welcome success into my life. Everything I desire comes to me at the perfect time. I am in the flow. I am in the flow of peace. I am in the flow of extraordinary abundance. I am in the flow of wealth. I am in the flow of joy. I am in the flow of freedom. Blessings of all kinds flow to me. My ability to receive abundance increases more and more each day. Every day, I accept more abundance into my life. I allow miracles to happen for me. I effortlessly manifest miracles. I receive my greatest good. I live each day in the bliss of being loved by the universe. I am connected to the infinite abundance of the Source. I am always connected. I am in alignment with the creative potential of all life. I am in alignment with pure potential. I realize my potential. I am now open to receiving. I allow myself to receive. I welcome in. I am an open channel to receive abundance and joy. Every part of my mind and soul is open to receive. I receive immense prosperity. I receive beautiful wisdom. I receive love. I receive kindness. I receive fulfillment. I receive happiness. I receive everything I desire. I receive. I receive gifts in all forms. I receive with gratitude. I receive knowing how worthy I am. I bask in the stream of abundance pouring over me. My vibration is completely in alignment with receiving all good things. The power of the entire universe is within me. When I tap into the divine energy that I am, I receive extraordinary abundance. I am one with the energy of total abundance. I am made of the same stuff as galaxies. I am infinite. I am infinite. My capacity to receive is limitless. I appreciate abundance in my life. I seek the good in my life. Every day, more and more reasons to be joyful appear in my life. I am showered with blessings. I accept gifts from the universe. I accept that I am worthy and deserve all my gifts. I say yes and thank you. I am grateful for everything that is given to me. I give myself the time and space to receive. I cleanse my energy to receive more effectively. I am a receptive channel. A powerful stream of abundance is constantly pouring over me, and I allow myself to receive it. I allow the seeds of abundance to grow prodigiously in all areas of my life. I receive wealth. I receive wonderful relationships. I receive satisfying work. I receive creativity. I receive inner peace. I receive healing. I receive harmony. I receive health. I am open to receiving in ways I had never imagined. Good flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I create space in my life and within myself to receive. I let in the good. I allow myself to feel good. The sun shines upon me. The source smiles at me. Every day, I find abundance, and abundance finds me. The best of life is drawn to me. I am open and available for abundance to come to me. I naturally have a mindset focused on abundance. Everything I need comes to me when I need it. I accept gifts from the universe. The more I receive, the more I am able to give. I love my life. I love all the people and things in my life. I love all my experiences. Gratitude is my frequency. I am so grateful for all aspects of my life. I love everything I have. I love what I receive. I am grateful. I am thankful. I allow all good things to come to me. I receive with ease. Everything always works out for me. I receive goodness in all its forms. I know I am worthy of all the good that exists. I am worthy. I am a good person. I deserve goodness. Just by existing, I am worthy of this good. I am worthy of wealth. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of fulfilling work. I am worthy of wonderful relationships. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of peace. I trust the universe. I trust the universe to bring me immense abundance. I surrender to the process as I receive my abundance. I am at ease. I am at ease knowing that the best things are unfolding for me. Abundance flows to me with ease. I can safely receive. I am open. I am open. I receive. I am ready. My heart is ready. It's already done. I welcome abundance into my life. I welcome joy into my life. I welcome love into my life. I welcome prosperity.